Watch muddy ore become 99.99% pure gold in 4 stages. Stage 1. Raw ore extraction, from mine to initial processing.
Look at the amber banding here. That confirms the high-grade mineralization we projected.
Excellent. The tape shows it extending right along the fault line.
This looks promising. Are you getting a lock on the GPS?
Yes, logging the Novatek ID now.
As you can see, the concentration of gold flecks in this matrix confirms the viability of the deposit.
Feed rate is steady at 20 tons per hour.
Good. Let's maintain that for the next cycle.
Stage 2. Chemical processing. Precision technology separates gold from ore.
The agitation is commencing smoothly. Ensure the temperature remains constant during the reaction.
Confirmed, Doctor.
We're stable at 98.5% dissolution. Adjust the agitation to 150.
Confirmed. Adjusting to 150 RPM.
Okay, valve is open. We have flow.
Level looks good. Ready for the transfer.
We're initiating the filtration sequence now. Once the seals are checked, we can start the vacuum.
Just bringing the pressure up to spec now.
Reading confirmed. Logging the data.
That crease there, that's new wear.
Okay, I've logged the coordinates. We should monitor it next cycle.
See how clear the output is. The new membranes are working perfectly. Just finishing the label for the permeate line now.
Pumps are active across the board.
Confirmed. Adsorption efficiency is at 98%.
Adsorption appears complete in column 3.
Noted. The indicators confirm full saturation.
We have a reading of 4.25 kilograms on this lot.
Excellent. The cathodes are fully loaded.
Stage 3. Precision refinement. Electrolysis removes final impurities.
Look at the uniformity on that cathode starter sheet.
It's flawless. The dissolution from the anode is perfectly balanced. The flow rate is optimized now.
And the electrolyte temperature is holding steady at 25 degrees. Data logged.
particle size looks consistent. Go ahead and secure the vacuum line, please.
Clamping it now. Pressure looks stable.
The clarity seems excellent, consistent with the specifications.
Yes, the flow rate is stable now.
The filtered powder is secured, Doctor.
Excellent. Setting the drying cycle to 150 degrees now.
Batch number 883, 97.4% purity, sealed and ready for storage.
Logging it now. Data synchronized.
The purity peak on the spectroscopy monitor confirms the 0.9999 standard. Right?
Yes, it matches the reference exactly.
Stage 4, pure gold bullion. Certified 99.99% pure luxury gold.
Steady now, keep the flow consistent. Nice and slow.
Yes, guiding it right to the center.
The solidification progress looks good through the port.
Temperature gradient is stable. We are ready for the next phase.
Surface looks good, Master Smelter.
Indeed. The crystallization is perfect.
How is the surface consistency looking on this quadrant?
Readings are stable. We have full coverage at 99.8%.
Ensure the certification markings are clear at this depth.
The laser is calibrated for it.
The weight is stable at 1250.4 grams.
Noted. Dimensions checked and confirmed.
This certification confirms the market value at the platinum tier.
Here is the corresponding gold bullion.
The craftsmanship is stunning.
Muddy ore to 99.99% pure gold in 480 seconds auto row. Complete.